Hello everyone, today we are making Kung Pao chicken, one of the most popular Chinese takeout dishes. With a delicious balance of sweet, savory, tangy, and spicy flavors, this dish comes together with just a few simple ingredients and is easy to make at home. Let's start with the green onions. I'm using 2 green onions, mostly the white parts. Cut them into about half-inch pieces. Then prepare 3 cloves of garlic and cut them into small pieces. For the ginger, dice it into small cubes. We'll also need some dried chilies and strained peppercorns. I like to leave some of the chili whole and cut the rest into small pieces. Feel free to adjust the amount to your taste. Traditional Kung Pao chicken is usually made without vegetables, but in my hometown we like to add some diced carrot and cucumber. Dice them slightly smaller than the chicken pieces. Here I also removed the cucumber seeds because they tend to release lots of water during cooking. Now let's move on to the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs today. First, cut the chicken into strips, then cut it into bite-sized pieces. After that, marinate the chicken with soy sauce, cooking wine, give it a good mix. Then add a little bit of salt, white pepper, cornstarch, and water. Mix again till everything is well combined. Finish with a teaspoon of oil and mix one more time. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, let's make the sauce. Combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 4 tablespoons of water. Stir everything together. Finally, it's time to cook. First, let's fry the peanuts. Add the peanuts to the oil over medium to low heat and fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Once they turn lightly golden, take them out and let them cool. As they cool, they will become nice and crunchy. Next, let's cook the chicken. Add some oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken and spread it out in a single layer. Let it sear for a minute. Then continue stir frying till the chicken is cooked through. If you prefer a little more color, let it cook a little longer till lightly golden. Now let's give the vegetables a quick stir fry. First, add a little bit of oil. Stir fry the carrot for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then add a pinch of salt and sugar along with the cucumber. Stir fry for a few more seconds, then remove and set aside. Now let's bring everything together. Add a little oil to the pan over low heat. Then add the dried chilies and strained peppercorns. Stir fry till fragrant. When the chilies begin to deepen in color, add the garlic and ginger. Stir fry till fragrant. Then we pour in the sauce and cook over low heat. Once the sauce starts to bubble, return everything back to the pan and toss till evenly coated. And that's it. This Kung Pao chicken is packed with lots of flavor, and every time I make it, it reminds me of home. The chicken stays tender, the peanuts add crunch, and the sauce ties everything together beautifully. Like many classic dishes, there are so many ways to make Kung Pao chicken. Don't be afraid to make a few changes and create a version that your family enjoys most. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.